CosmoStem. CosmoStem Institute of Regenerative Aesthetic Medicine, CIRAM. Postgraduate Diploma in Stem Cell and Regenerative Medicine, Stem Cell Training, Hands-on PRP Training, highly accredited faculty. Join us. Postgraduate Diploma in Stem Cell and Regenerative Medicine, Postgraduate Diploma in Medical Biotechnology, Genomics and Therapy, Certificate courses in PRP, Stem Cells, Nutrigenomics, Metabolic Medicine, Ortho Biologics, Aesthetics and Non-Invasive Intimate Makeover. Course objective: understand the history, methods and applications for regenerative medicine. Identify the proper selection of biologics for specific treatments. Collection and processing of PRP, BMC and Adipose. When to choose stem cells and when to choose PRP or both. Patient selection and how to identify specific pathology. Pre- and post-treatment care instruction. Rehabilitation protocols and marketing strategies for regenerative medicine. CosmoStem Institute of Regenerative Aesthetic Medicine started postgraduate diploma in stem cell and regenerative medicine, medical biotechnology, gene therapy and genomics. Provides state-of-the-art education in next-generation therapies, training you in translational research and rapidly developing topics in advanced cellular and personalized therapeutic medicines. This course is an introduction to various stem cells, their characteristics and their niches. It explores the molecular concepts of stem cell, self-renewal and tissue and organ development. It also illustrates the application of stem cell in therapies and explains routine methods used in stem cell biology. You will acquire transferable and research skills and knowledge of ethical and regulatory legislation, commercialization strategies, and intellectual property and patent protection. The course is a unique combination of hot and rapidly developing topics in advanced therapeutic medicines and will provide academic and laboratory research training in 3 key areas, that is streams: gene therapies, new horizons in stem cells and cell therapy, regenerative medicine, metabolic medicine and anti-aging. Course fee: PG Diploma 1 year, 1,75,000 rupees. Certificate course 6 months, 1,25,000 rupees. 3 days training, 1 lakh rupees. Features: hands-on, live, classroom, web, study materials, 10 days practicals each semester. Application fee: 5,000 rupees. For application queries, email us at prabhu.m@stemgenn.com or cosmostem.courses@gmail.com under affiliation of Anti-Aging Foundation, Society of Regenerative, Aesthetic and Functional Medicine, Indian Stem Cell Study Group.